Good morning everyone. Today's video hopefully is going to be like a double morning routine. So my morning routine when I'm having a work day and my morning routine when I'm having a mum day. Today's a work day, so whoever is looking after Gray gets up with her that morning, and whoever's got the work day gets a little bit more of a lie-in, like half an hour extra in bed. That's the deal we've got. So Rich woke up with Gray at 6:30 today. It's about 7:15 now, and I'm just getting ready. I'm just cleansing my face with the Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balm. I haven't got any meetings or anything today. I don't have to go into town, but I've got a lot to catch up on. And I have to take some photos for a job, so I'm gonna get ready and like do my makeup properly, so that's all done. Using a bit of the Clinique Moisture Surge, and then the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream with SPF. Off for her nap. So one of the things I kind of struggle with work now is that it comes to one of my work days and I don't really have like a plan because I haven't had time to plan on my non-work days, and then I get all a bit like overwhelmed. So now while I have my breakfast and my cup of tea, I'm gonna sit and try and write some kind of like to-do list for the day. Okay, if I wasn't filming, I would be listening to a podcast now or watching a video, which is like my favorite time now because I don't get much time to do that. So when I'm getting ready on work days, I always try pop one on. I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty primer. I'm talking like a little bit quietly because Gray's room is literally next door and she's asleep. I'm gonna pop that all over, and before it's fully rubbed in, I'm just gonna add in a bit of the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter for a bit of glow. On top of that, I'm going to be using the new Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. They've reformulated and rebranded, and I really like it. It's a really nice tinted moisturizer. I wear it like quite thin on some days, and then you can also build it up. I like to use this Smashbox brush, which is just a really lovely buffing brush. So I start with quite a thin layer. It took me a while to find my shade, but I am 2W1 Natural. This is like the perfect shade for me now. Then I'm using the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Concealer. Just opened a new one. I absolutely love this concealer. And then just blending that in. For a bit of bronze, I'm going to use the Chanel. Still loving this, although I feel like now we're going into like autumn, winter. I might have to chill out with the cream bronzer a bit. It's a little bit summery. I'm sitting right in front of the window, so everything just looks a lot paler on camera as it does in real life. I'm just going to use the Hourglass brow pencil to fill in just like the front of my brows, and then so I always have to frown at this bit, then the arches. I've also got the new Hourglass palette. It's the Ambient Lighting Edit, the Ghost one. Oh, I've just made it so grubby with my hands, but it's kind of like transparent around the edge, which is pretty cool. Dim light, diffused light, an iridescent strobe light, bronze light, iridescent rose, and sublime flush blush. Some really nice ones actually. I would use all of those. Sometimes there's like shades that I don't really like, but these are all really nice. How about let's add a little bit of bronze. Let's add a little bit of blush. I can hear that Gray's just woken up. I think Rich is gonna go get her up from her nap now and get her dressed for the day. I always like to see what he chooses to dress her in. On my eyes, I'm going to use MAC Uninterrupted, which is by far my most worn eyeshadow. And then on top, this is new from NARS. Is it new? I mean, it's new to me. I don't know if it's new in general. It's the Nepal, kind of a soft pink. I'm just gonna like layer that on top. I feel like that'll just like catch the light and look really pretty. Also got these new eye pencils from NARS, which I really want to play around with. I'm wondering if I could use any colour today. There's like a cobalt blue, which is gorgeous, a brown, or like a really dark green, and then this like reddy colour. I'm just going to put a little bit on this outer corner here. It's It's like a rusty, like maroon colour. Okay, for mascara, I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which is nice and volumizing. Grey is awake and dressed, and Rich is now taking her out for a walk. He's coming back for her lunchtime nap, which I'm very happy about, because if he went straight out to the class he's doing this afternoon, that means I would have not seen her all day, which I'm just not ready for that. I have done it, but it's always sad. So I'm just gonna curl my hair. I'm just gonna do this all over just to give it a bit of movement so it doesn't feel too straight. I actually had it blow dried the other day, and they used like this conditioning treatment, which has made it really nice and soft. I'm just going to finish with a bit of the Hershey's Almost Everything cream, which I really like. I just don't like the packaging. It's really hard to get it out the tube. Just going to put that on the ends, especially make it a little bit more piecey. Okay, that's kind of my morning routine, because now I'm going to start work. I'm going to stay sitting here. I need to record some stories for a job I'm doing with Mercier, and then I'm going to sit down. I'm going to get my to-do list sorted, catch up with 500 million emails, and get on with the day. Let's see. Change your nappy. Did you have a lovely sleep? Oh. Really? Ow, you're pinching my neck. Just making a bottle. Today is one of my days. I haven't actually yet done my morning wee, which was a real mistake. But anyway, downstairs, just giving Gray her first bottle of the day. What we usually do is have a little play. I'll try and make some breakfast while she plays, until the first nap of the day. While she's happily playing there for a minute, I'm gonna go make myself some breakfast and a cup of tea, if I can. Okay, I've just made myself a couple of slices of raisin bread, and I've got a cup of tea over here. So what I usually do is I get comfy on the floor so I can play with this little one over here, and I'll put the TV on in the background, but there's never anything good on at this time of day. So sometimes I'll watch Netflix, sometimes I'll watch really rubbish morning news TV. They've just put on a new season of The Good Place, so I'm going to put that on whilst we play for the next hour-ish until she's ready for her nap. This is a great little toy. It's like an octopus, and it's very good for tummy time. She loves it. It does all kinds of things. This one is my fave. This one is her fave. I find this part of the day the hardest, because it's like an hour waiting for her nap when I'm not really awake, I haven't brushed my teeth, and I have to find ways of entertaining her, and I haven't got the energy to. Okay, it's 8:20. Time for nap. Have a good nap. Okay, I have to work towards like worst case scenario, which is about 20 minutes, half an hour, but she'll do like 45 minutes to an hour on a really good day. So everything's like go, go, go from now on. Brush teeth, shower, skincare, makeup, hair, and then she'll probably wake. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes, so I haven't got long. Just gonna throw a bit of makeup on my face, a little bit of tinted moisturizer. I do always kind of make time for this unless I'm staying in, just because it makes me feel good. I like to wear makeup, so I just do like I just don't take my time, and I don't like experiment with new stuff on mom days. I just do what I know. A bit of my concealer, quickly blend that in. Everything's just like really fast. If she were to wake up unusually early and I wasn't finished getting ready, I would put a play mat on the bed and let her play with that for a bit. But that hasn't happened in a while. Bit of bronze, bit of cream blush, sort out my eyebrows. I normally like swipe on a bit of this Beauty Pie cream eyeshadow. I kind of go like that on my lid, blend it in with my finger, a little bit of mascara. So I still look like me, just not like a jazzed up version of me. Okay, for my hair on mum days, I literally just take the straighteners and I just go around the roots of my hair, just getting like the frizzy bits, and then I like tie it back in a bun. So I don't do it properly, I literally just do this, because otherwise you can see it's kind of like a bit mental. And I just do like the underneath bit, because that kind of goes curly in my sleep as well. Then I usually just tie it back into some kind of like low bun, and that's me done. See, the problem is Gray's quite a light sleeper, and because her room's at the front of the house, like if some kids walk by on the school run, or the bin men come, or the postman slams the gate next door, it has the potential to wake her, which is very annoying. Okay, it's 9:15, so she's been asleep for about 25 minutes. So I'm going to go downstairs. I am going to check my emails. I'm going to tidy up the house a bit from like playing this morning, and I'm going to prep the baby bag for today. This is our baby bag from Tibber and Marl, and because me and Rich swap days, I have to kind of put my stuff back in it because I took it out yesterday. So I'm just going to put in my purse and my keys and like a little lip balm and my 8-hour cream, and then my phone I can keep in my pocket. And I'm just like taking out her raincoat. I make sure there's spare nappies, spare change of clothes, 2 bottles, formula, hat, muslin, like everything we need in there. So that's ready. And then when she wakes up from her nap, I get her dressed then. I don't know why we always keep her in her pajamas for her first nap, unless we have to rush somewhere afterwards. So when she wakes up, I will get her dressed for the day. I have no idea what to put her in. It's a bit cold and rainy, but we're also kind of going somewhere inside. It's 9 o'clock, she's still asleep. This is great. I've just sat down. I'm gonna check my emails, and I've got a million WhatsApp notifications already, and have the TV running in on the background. And then I'm kind of just like waiting for her to wake up whilst I get stuff done around the house. She's starting to wake up. It's been 35 minutes. Okay, she's definitely up. So I'm gonna go get her dressed for the day. Hello. How was your sleep? How was your sleep? Was it lovely? What should we wear today? Okay, we've got some jumpers. Ooh, this is a new outfit from Tesco, Fred and Flo. Pink jumper, and then I think there's like some matching leggings. Matching leggings. Cute, all pink, so I just need like a white vest. If your baby doesn't like things that go over their head, the kimono baby grows that like wrap around are amazing. Should we put some leggings on? Yeah. Okay, because she woke up a little bit early, she'll probably want another little nap before her next bottle at 11. So in about 20 minutes, when she gets tired again, we're gonna drive and we're gonna go. We're meeting someone for coffee this morning, and she will sleep in the car on the way there, and that'll be her second little nap. So we're done. Say bye everyone, thanks for watching.